Today I want to demonstrate on how to play a beginning scale. The C scale is one of the first scales we usually learn. Basically, we do this because it's all on the white keys, and that's pretty easy. A lot of the other scales have black keys included, but not C scale. So I want to show you, if you can see how my hand is rounded, and I am playing on the side of the nail right here, not back here. So you want to keep that in mind. And right now I'll just go over what we're going to play. So we're going to play from C to C, and that's called an octave. And if you can remember that scales are in groups of 3 and 4, and I'll demonstrate that. So we're going to go. So after 3 fingers, we tuck our thumb under, and then we have a group of 4. And then we could keep going, but we're going to end with our pinky. That's 1 octave. And then we come back down, we have our group of 4, and we cross over with our middle finger, and we have a group of 3. Okay, and I'm going to play that with our metronome. 60 beats per minute. Nice and slow. Tuck under. Cross over. Okay, and another little tip is just to keep in your mind that you're shifting weight. That right now your thumb, you start out with your weight all in your thumb, and then you gradually just shift your weight. If you do that, it'll just be much easier, especially when you play your scales faster. And we're just gently walking our fingers and moving our hand in the direction that we're going. Okay, let's play our left hand. Our left hand starts with our pinky, and then we have our group of 4. And then we're going to cross over to our group of 3. So we start slowly, then we do our group of 4, then we cross with our middle finger with our group of 3. Come down on our group of 3, tuck under with our thumb, and we have our group of 4 again, then we end with our pinky. Okay, I'm going to play that with our metronome at 60 beats. Crossover. Tuck under. Okay, then I'm going to demonstrate how to play hands together. And so it will just be, so right here the right hand tucks under, but the left hand keeps going. Then right here the left hand crosses over, so both fingers 3s are on A. Then you come back down, left hand tucks under, right hand crosses over. Finger 3s will be on E. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate that on 60 beats per minute. Okay, and that's our C scale, 1 octave. And I will show you in my next video on how to do it 2 octaves. So stay tuned for that. And I'm Lane from Notable Piano Lessons, and you can learn more on my website.